Hello students, today I'll be starting a new topic. Since NPSC la prelims results already declared and you might be, those who have cleared the prelims might have started preparing for the mains. So one of the most difficult portion or most unpredictable portion to Nagaland. Nagaland topic to Nagaland do MCQ or paper 2 de bishi duk pai because with there are limited sources. So in this series I'll be starting a new topic called Nagaland. Are to topic to ke department wise moi explain karna jo from alphabet letter A, that is agri department ba shuru guru, agri, animal husbandry, agri to art and culture inga shuru karna jo the various departments. I'll be explaining the details of every department of what project is undertaken under this department, so that any 1 mark, nearly 2 mark, nearly 5 mark I'll be it will be very helpful for you. And this materials I've taken from the government of Nagaland document book, that is the IPR, that is Department of Public Information and Public Relations la Nagaland Basic Facts 2023 la. So today the topic to the agri department. So first of all, my topic the shift chromogen. I would like to take you to this question. It is if there's around 7-8 pages. Say Atma. So this question was asked in 2023 mains. That is Atma under agri department explain group. So these are the topic. I'll come later on this. So let us start with the class. First the agri department la shuru grow, and at least 1 to 2 marks, nearly 10 marks nation to secure group. It will be very beneficial for you, especially in Nagaland, and along with this you'll also know a bit about the state, what programs are implemented in Nagaland. If you do not know, then this will be very helpful for you. So let us start with the class, that is agri department la shuru. That is first, the United Nations has declared 2023 as the International Year of Millet. Aro Nagaland Agriculture Department do tai initiate koriche millet campaign aro comprising of activities such as awareness drive video sob aje and basic information to ke do one total population do jane, but what about the total cultivable land? So it was Nagaland government under de Nagaland state under de total cultivable land is 10,06,204 hectares. Out of this, gross to 2,45,000 and double crop to 39,987. Net crop area to 2,05,727. That means gross pa minus korna net olaise, that is double crop to, and gross irrigated area to 5,06,880. So total food grain production to 3 lakh, almost same as every year na. Oil seed production to 20,649 megatons, metric tons. Food grain production to 1,660 kg per hectare. Food grain production to for 2022 to 2023 is 7,06,000, and oil seed production is 41,080. And these facts are authenticated facts from the annual administrative report to agri department, so it will be the source is valid and legit. So if you have noted down kundu note on the latest data itu and total cultivable land is important, so you can note this down. Others though you can note it or you can skip it also. So let us go to the next slide. That is in 2022 and 2023 target to 309.19 are achieved at 308.72 in area, and production is metric tons so 710 aro achievement of 706. So you can note it down. Let us go to the next slide. What are the different schemes implemented in Nagaland? First, the case of the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, RKVY. So right and not on RKVY 2 marks I should initiated in 2007 there is a it not on grade for ensuring holistic development of agriculture and allied sector finish it 2 marks karne to tai kita shuru kurje RKVY da 2007 aro ki karne holistic development of agriculture and allied sector hoise aro 2017 de again naam alag dije RKVY Raftar that is remunerative approach for agriculture and allied rejuvenation got it next RKVY rural agriculture market infrastructure to tell main objective is facilitate marginal farmers to dispose of their surplus produce in time with remunerative return to enhance the rural economy it was a and next is what RKVY power tillers path so itu power machinery can put supply rule in hilly agriculture system the accessibility of mechanized tools and machineries pose great challenge as most agri-linked roads connect only main roads to the cultivating cluster area and not from field to field. Construction of power tiller path is of great help and relief to farmers as movement of power tillers and other farm machineries are made possible. So it was a RKVY. So man, the case RKVY to 2007 for holistic development of agriculture. It will under the bishes rural market infrastructure power tillers path ingas. So let us go to the next slide. Next, RKVY strengthening of integrated extension training center and state agriculture research station SARS are IETC. Integrated extension training center do ke MetCP madeze established kida hoje 1964 to 65 for providing 2 years agricultural extension course in programs to youth having keen interest to engage themselves in agriculture sector as agriculture field assistant of the department. So basically the training institute so IETC to kute establish as it is at Metsepima. Next, State Agriculture Research Station SARS. SARS to ESM Young Deze established in 1988 that conducts needs-based location-specific research trials and demonstration. Our substation duidaze at Wokha and Tuli. It was our activity seeking as a vermicompost unit, biodiversity model, watershed conservation of paddy germplasm, and conducting of trainings for farmers, NGOs, and educational institutes. So next to RKVY, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana there, women in agriculture. So woman, so for example, any woman's role in agriculture in Nagaland, you can incorporate this topic that is through self-help groups consisting of 15 to 18 members of each HLG. 2023 74 self-help group to mobilize under 16 districts and 22 subdivision. It was next. Let us go to the other slide. Support for state extension programs for extension reforms ATMA scheme of sub-scheme on agriculture extension under the umbrella scheme Green Revolution Grishon Nadi Yojana to ATMA scheme 2023 main stage for 5 marks that is right a note on ATMA Nagaland. So ATMA scheme to under case SMAE that is state exchange that is submission on agricultural extension SMAE to it under National Mission on Agriculture Extension and Technology with 2014 to 15 issue aro itu ATMA Nagaland pilot test to kudije tinda district duje at Kohima, Dimapur and Mukokchung during 2004 to 5 are success to by all districts 2010 to 11 tak expansion kudije and tala main objective keza awareness creation and enhanced use of appropriate technology on agriculture and allied sector. Extension personnel are trained in institutes like Samiti, EEI, Manage and other national training institute for capacity building and skill development for effective transfer of services to farmers. So basically yadeba ki monkey extract group or information to the information to be extracted is that is Atma to kidia kila under this it is under SMAE. It is submission on agriculture extension. Aroido kidia test kurja 2004 to 5 in 3 districts Kohima, Dimapur and Mukokchung are main focus to is awareness aro enhance use of appropriate technology aro itu farmers kange capacity building or skill and effective training to and transfer services to farmers itu atma 5 itu 5 marks kana isglet you can write it down. Next question, next slide, sorry. National Food Security Mission for crops to under Department of Agriculture and centrally sponsored scheme 2007 to 8 shuru hoise and Nagaland included in the mission introducing NFSM rice aro pulses kan introduce hoise. And intervention of National Food Security Mission includes high yielding variety, hybrid rice, cluster demonstration, training, plant and soil health management, resource conservation technique, tools, efficient water application tools, crop system based demonstration, cropping system based demonstration, seed distribution, integrated nutrient management or integrated pest management, local and other initiatives. Our next to National Mission on Edible Oil, very important. Oil seed production though in Nagaland introduced especially palm oil though about 3,000 hectares on marginal lands and rainfed farming. Focus on 3 oil seed, that is rapeseed, mustard seed, soybean and groundnut, and distributed 300 quintals of rapeseed and mustard seed kits in all potential villages to enhance productivity of oil seeds. Aro edible oil there aro sorry alak mission ekta je oil palm la. So oil palm la do 2021 to 22 ba 26 taka je for cultivation of oil palm. Aro do oil palm do ki karne bishi like doubtful as to oil palm mon do tala fertility to bia korde. So to target the potential foothill areas of the state where cluster cultivation in a sustainable manner without disturbing the natural forest including biodiversity will be undertaken. It is a Godrej Agrovet Limited Louisa Mon MU already signed Gornaze for areas in Peren, Jumukutima, Dimapur, Newland and Wokha. Aro Patanjali Lotigbi Mon giveaway MOU signed Gornaze. So this is the National Mission on Edible Oil. Very important. 5 marks you can note it down. Next question. Next slide. Submission on Agriculture Mechanization SMAM. Itu kita introduce koisila 2014 to 15 they introduce koise Nagaland covering all districts during 2017 and 18. Aro the state farm power availability increased from 0.507 kilowatt per hectare to 0.7 as aro 2022 to 23 successfully distributed farm machinery like tractors, mini tractors, rice mills, maize mills, power tillers, power cultivators, paddy threshers, brush cutters, power sprayers, manual sprayers, earth augers, etc. It was under Submission on Agriculture Mechanization SAM. So 2 marks kone what is SMAM? MAM the Submission on Agriculture Mechanization 2014 to 15 the show or basically farm machineries can provide kore such as mini tractors. So let us go to the next slide. PM Kisan, that is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi do shuru hoise aro Nagaland TV introduce hoise from 2018 introduce hoise 6,000 per month per year the farmers get 3 installment, that is 2,000 rupees each diole ase aro Nagaland under Ministry of Agriculture ba 2,03,459 farmers the benefit hoise amounting to 435 crore 11,80,000 to distribute correlation. The Kiman farmers benefit usually 2,03,459. So this is the PM Kisan. Next slide. That is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Krishi Vigyan Kendra or FSC though it is an agriculture extension center of learning as it is the only institution located at district level for technological backstopping on agriculture and allied sector. Our Nagaland Kiman Krishi Vigyan Kendra is 11 as for under administrative control of State Agriculture Department at Kohima, Tinsang, Mokokchung and Mon. So Krishi Vigyan Kendra, that is KVK or FSC to the Agriculture Extension Center. কি কাৰণে টেকনলজিকেল ব্ৰেকথ্ৰু ইন এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ এণ্ড এলাই সেক্টৰ আৰু নাগালেণ্ড কি মানে যে 11 আছে so with this the first lecture on Nagaland has been completed I hope you have understood something and if you have any doubts you can ask and if you want to download the material the link will be provided in the description you can download it so thank you guys and all the best for your NPSC mains thank you